Lightweight design. Weighing in at only 8.5 ounces, 240 grams. G335 is smaller and lighter than the G733. Features a suspension headband to help distribute weight and is adjustable for a customized fit. All-day comfort. Soft memory foam earpads and sports mesh material are comfortable for extended use, so you can take your gaming to the next level in style and comfort. Plug and play. Quickly jump into your game and simply connect with the 3.5mm audio jack. These colorful headphones are compatible with PC, laptop, gaming consoles, and select mobile devices. Headset controls. The volume roller is located directly on the ear cup to quickly turn up your game or music, while the mic can be easily flipped up to mute and move it out of the way. Impressive sound. With 40mm neodymium drivers, the G335 computer gaming headset delivers crisp, clear stereo sound that makes your game come alive. PC and console compatible. This gaming headset with microphone is compatible with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Nintendo Switch with 3.5mm audio connection. Vibrant colors. G335 over-ear headset is available in multiple colorways, each with its own vibrant reversible, washable elastic headband and corresponding memory foam earpads. Discord certified. This Logitech G wired headset is Discord certified, ensuring crystal clear communication performance with amazing sound and voice clarity for all your gaming endeavors. Top reviews from the United States. Great for casual gamers. I purchased this headset because I recently got into FPS games and wanted to be able to calm to my teammates. I am not very competitive or super into gaming, it's more of just a hobby for me, and this headset works perfect. It gets the job done, is super comfortable, and the battery lasts long.